Hi, I'm going to give you a tour of this week's HyperDoc, at least the beginning of it, because you're going to think it looks really long. And there is a bit of directions, but really you can probably get the whole thing done in about 45 minutes. So we have the same beginning pages we always have, then a short video to watch on the NetLogo simulation program we're going to use. And then you're going to click on the simulation program and then it says click setup, start with go, stop with go, click on model info at the bottom of the screen and write what the model's about. So I'm going to show you that real quick. Here we go to net logo, which is a simulation program. And if you actually look through there are a lot of different simulations, all kinds of things. So anyway, it said click the setup program, click go to start. You can watch it for a while, see what's happening, and click go to stop. And you'll notice there's a graph. Here's a monitor, tells you how much sheep, wolves, how much grass there is. You can set different things: sheep, wolves, grass, initial number sheep, initial number wolves, how fast the grass regoes, how fast the sheep gain energy, the wolves gain energy from sheep, how often the sheep reproduce, the wolves reproduce. Okay. And it also shows you the population of the sheep and wolves, and if you have it set for grass, which we don't, so the sheep are not eating the grass because we do not have this model, it tells you what's happening with the grass. Okay, and then it said model info is down here. That's the other thing you're supposed to look at. It explains what's going on, and you are going to use that, what we just did, to answer this question. Okay, on the next slide is just some reading. Okay, it's about the buttons and controlling with the buttons. Experiment with the setup and go buttons. Okay, they want to know, does the same thing happen every time? Okay, so setup and go buttons, let it run for a while. Do we start with the same amount? Like, do we always end up with the same amount? Well, what does this look like? So run it several times, let it run for a while too. Okay, you can let it run. Like, look, this time we got like a lot of wolves. Last time we had a lot of sheep. Oh my gosh, the sheep are all going to disappear and then the wolves die off, right? This time, up here come the sheep back. Like, does it always happen the same way? Here are the graphs. So do it a couple times, see what happens. We also can set the speed of how fast it goes up here. So already after you watch this a couple times, that is going to be, you're already on slide 8. 9, control the speed. Okay, just tells you that. Then it talks about changing the settings. So it tells you, click the setup, click go. Let it run 100 ticks. Click go to start. So go to stop first. Setup to start. Click go. Let it run 100 ticks. So there we go, watch. When it gets to 100, I'm going to try and stop it. Okay, got 103. Not bad. And then it says what happened to the sheep over time. Then, whoops, under the model version, click on sheaves, wool, grass. So we're going to do the other model. Set up and go. You're going to let it run 100 ticks. Okay. Describe what happens. Okay. Here. Like, do you get the same thing happens? Then it talks about these slider settings. You are going to use the first model and change the number of sheep. You're halfway done. Okay, my video is going to end, but that should get you more than halfway done.